In this video, I will share with you the ingredients of a watermelon juice, which is also a potent love potion, also called homemade Viagra, and is good for your health. This love potion, which I will be sharing with you, is what men has been using a long time ago to see maximum performance in the bedroom, long before there was any Viagra pill. These are main ingredients found in Viagra pill. Men has been using this same potion before there was any pharmacy, and they were having great result using this very same love potion. So stick around as I will be sharing the ingredients with you. To make a cup of this love potion, add a slice of watermelon. Watermelon is good for your health. You can add a big chunk of watermelon. It can't be too much. Make sure that your watermelon is ripened and it's sweet. Watermelon is like natural Viagra. Watermelon is one of the main ingredients found in the Viagra pill. So don't be stingy with using the watermelon. Here are some health benefits. It contains a large amount of citrulline that relaxes and dilates blood vessels. Next, add ginger. Ginger is also good for your health. Ginger enhances blood flow and can increase the production of testosterone. Those of you with low testosterone levels, you need to be using more ginger. Use ginger to make tea in the morning. You can use ginger to make a ginger drink. It's good for you. Next, add lemon. Lemons are also good for your health. Lemons are an excellent source of vitamin C and flavonoids, which are antioxidants. Lemons are great for your health benefits. This can help men to see a huge improvement in their sexual function. As I've said before, keep using this very same love potion until you begin to see the results in your sex life. These are healthy ingredients. Next, add half a cup of water and blend to a smooth texture. You might have to use a strainer after you finish blending the watermelon, so you can have a smooth liquid texture. And you can even use the green part of the watermelon also. Drink half a cup each day in the morning, as often as you want to. You can't overdo this. Just keep drinking this until you begin to see and feel the results. Don't drink if you are allergic to any of these ingredients. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe for more videos like this. I will be bringing you more natural ingredients, which is good for making love potions. So please subscribe to this channel.